We've just been listening to Campbells of Greepe. Mary, fantastic performance, and you ended with some Scottish Gaelic and Irish Gaelic as well.
Well, yes, I try really hard to use a little bit of what I have of Irish Gaelic, but I'm afraid the Scottish ends up taking over.
Is this the first time you've played the Fleadh? Or?
It's certainly the first time I've been at the Fleadh. It's not the first time I've been to Derry. We've been over several times over the years to perform for different things, and it's always the same. It's a really special city. I think there's something wonderful about it. There's such a fantastic welcome. So it's a perfect venue for the Fleadh.
I know Wales and Ireland have some shared history, and obviously rugby keeps us, and same as Scotland really, but is there a different relation between Scotland and Ireland? Because the language we were saying is slightly closer, if anything, isn't it?
Well, absolutely. In this neck of the woods, if you go out west towards Donegal, or you go into Belfast and the Gaelic-speaking community there, we find it very easy to converse between the Scots and the Irish, and in fact there's as much to connect the northern parts of Ireland to Scotland as it does to the southern parts of Ireland. And actually, if you turn the British back on its side and you put the Irish Sea in the middle, you can see the big sort of straight line that goes from the Isle of Lewis right down to southwest Kerry and Cork, and you can see how easy it is to make a connection through language and geography and culture.
Fantastic. And you've performed in Wales before, I think Steddfod possibly you've been to? Or?
I have a couple of times over the years, but my little sister Wilma has a long and happy relationship with Wales. She was at the Welsh College of Music and Drama and had a fantastic time in Cardiff for 4 years.
Fantastic. And then what plans then for the Campbells of Greepe? Are you doing any more touring this year? Or?
Well, we've been working on various elements of a project for the last 4 years. We produced an album, we produced a large biography and music collection, a hardback book, and made a TV documentary and a radio series, and we've just come out of the studio with the makings of the second album. So what we were playing tonight was the first time that we've performed some of that material just fresh out of the studio, so we'll be very much hoping to be able to take that out and play some more live.
Fantastic, thanks a lot. Diolch yn fawr.